Today we are going to make incredible beads. So these are all the tools we need. Water, halfway.
So we've got about 50 milliliters of water.
And a spoon, a stirring stick, a lid, like a little, see this? That's what we need, and a lid for the lid, top of it.
Okay, so our first step, Scarlett,
Is to put,
we need to put 10 water-absorbing polymer beads into the bottle.
how is 10?
10, any 10 that you want. Can you tell the color as you put them in?
And there is see-through ones. That is orange, one orange.
They're really tiny.
Okay,
I think 9. Don't worry about it. The number isn't that important. And you can also use the spoon.
Oh, that's helpful.
And you add a couple more. So that'll give us at least 10.
Okay, now maybe we...
Wait. Now we have to read the directions. We got the beaker halfway of water. So now you're going to pour the water over the beads. Oh, one jumped out. So very carefully pour.
I'm pouring it in.
Okay, can you show everybody what it looks like at home so far? Are they floating or are they sinking?
They're synced.
They're sink. Okay, so now you need to stir it with the stir stick.
I think it's a little too small.
You think the stir stick's too small?
Yeah, look.
What's another way you could stir it?
Using the spoon.
Okay, that's a good idea.
The spoon fits.
Okay, so let's go ahead and put the lid on it because we definitely don't want to spill it, do we?
Yes.
And so what we need to do is we need to wait a few minutes to see what happens. So, Miss Scarlett, what is your hypothesis? What do you think is going to happen in this incredible expanding beads experiment?
I think they're gonna enjoy the water and get bigger.
Think they're going to get bigger?
Yes. What do you think?
I would agree. I think they're going to absorb water. So do you think the water's going to go down or up?
Down. What do you think?
Do you think they're still going to be at the bottom, or do you think they're going to float if they absorb water?
They're gonna start to float.
All right, so how much time should we give them? What do you think?
A long 10 minutes.
How about 3 minutes first?
Yeah, 3 minutes first.
Okay.
So we're gonna wait 3 minutes. What do we do now, Mom?
Do 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 do.
So this is how much it looks like in 3 minutes. Take a close look. You see it? Looks a little different, but we waited 3 minutes and I shaked it like this. So that's what I did. Bye.
Well, how much longer should we wait, and we'll check it again?
10.
10 minutes? Okay, setting the timer at
10 minutes. We're gonna wait for 10 minutes. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to this video again. So they got a little bigger. You can kind of see through them. And so basically here I'll show you how they look. So that's how we did it. So that was over an hour. So we waited over an hour, okay? And we're gonna maybe wait for over a day and a night for us to check it on it again. I think that's how much long we have to do it. Bye. Hi guys. So basically, I have something to show you. So these are how the beads got. How big they got. See? That's how big they got. So maybe I was just going to show you this, and there's some invisible beads just to show you in the water. And it's hard to see them, by the way. And you just kind of probably look if you see the lines. Oh, I see a couple lines for the visible. And if you shake them, sometimes they land on it. So how was that for a good look? Good? I hope you said good.